Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Great car, man. I mean, really just a good, solid, straight Chevy, guys. Pretty car. It's got gorgeous paint on it. It's hugger orange. It's got the white SS stripes with the cowl hood. Really nice set of Cragar SS's with BF Goodrich radial TAs all the way around it. It does have the matching numbers, 350 cubic inch engine, automatic trans, power steering, disc brakes. This is the kind of car that I've actually had a lot of people calling on lately. Guys that don't want to spend $50,000, $60,000, they want something to cruise, want something to have, you know, fun with, that they don't have to break the bank. And this is a good car, good, solid, straight body. Same guy's owned it for the last 13 years. And like I say, good car, really hits the road nice. Neat car, pretty color combination. It's got a good sound to it. It's not, you know, it's not a real super sport, guys. It's a clone. They've got all the SS badging, but nice, very nice car. It's got the hood pins with the cowl hood. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Paint's really nice. Looks like it's got the original marker lights on it. This front bumper's been replaced. I think the rear bumper's new, or I'm sorry, the rear bumper's original. The front bumper's been replaced. Again, pretty car. I wish we had some sunshine on it today, but Mother Nature's not going to give us that. Dash in there's nice. Again, pretty color combination. Again, you can kind of nitpick the bumper a little bit. I think that's the original bumper. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, it's got the wider Cragars on the rear, so it's got that staggered look. Good set of wide set of BFGs on the rear too. Good looking set of Cragars on it. Again, the car sits good. It's got a good sound. Front disc brakes. Couple little touch-up marks, but that's really the extent of it, guys. Again, it does have the matching numbers, 350 engine in it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, power steering. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds, power front disc brakes, 350 turbohydramatic trans, factory radiator with a shroud. And like you say, if you're looking for just a real nice driver, I think you're going to like this car. It really hits the road good. Pretty paint, man. Whoever laid the paint down on it did a really nice job. Those look like the original door handles. New sill plates. I think it's got the original carpet still in it. I think the seats are all original. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory dash, 33,294. I'm sure that's 133. AM, FM, 8-track. This thing does power up. I couldn't get it to kick on though. I couldn't get it to, you know, work. Dual exhaust, factory 10-bolt rear end, not a big gear, you know, probably like a 323. Again, just look how nice this car is, man. It's just clean car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. The car's nice and clean underneath. Got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. I'll tell you what, guys, whoever painted this car, they did a nice job. Oh, I've got new floor mats coming for it too. It takes me a little time to get those right now. But again, they're new. They'll be black with a silver bow tie on them. Good looking car. Good, Jordy. Yeah, that looks like the original door handle. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. Boy, that's it right there, man. You turn the key, thing fires right up. Like I say, drives out. Drives out real good. Just a good car, man. Good, you can pin it. Fuel gauge works. I mean, nothing, you know, really for gauges in the car. Dual exhaust, again, you know, just a stock rear end. Backup lights work. Like I say, just a good car. The blower motor works. I got the, yeah. If you flip that on, it actually comes on, but I couldn't get it to play. Oh. But it actually powers up. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Well, that's a good looking car. Have a great day, guys.